Okay, in this video we will do the first exercise using the Microsoft Word. By the end of this exercise, you will be able to do the following tasks. Save a document, use the copy, move and paste features, change the font face and font size, form a new paragraph, join two paragraphs into a single paragraph, change the text case, insert symbol characters, apply a page color, then checking for spelling and grammar errors in a document. Now we will start the demonstration where I will show you step by step how to do all these tasks. See you there in the demonstration. Okay, gentlemen, now we will start the first exercise. I have the exercise already here, so let me show it to you. Now this is how the exercise will looks like. At the top you will have the title for the exercise, then you will have a set of text between these two lines. This means this text you have to type it, you have to run the word and you have to type it by yourself. After that, underneath that text you will have the task that you are required to do. For example, this is task number 2. It asks you to save the document and it gives you the name and and the direction. Then you do task number 3. Then you do task number 4 till you reach the last task. So this is how our task will works. So first, task number 1, it says to you to run the word processing program. In our case it is the Microsoft Word, and start typing the following. So you will start typing the text between the two lines, these text. After you finish typing, then you will start applying what each task here or each step it asks you to do. So let us start. I already typed the text in a file, so we will start from task number 2. So let me just make this is smaller so that you can see what are the tasks, and I will show both documents here. So let me just minimize this one and I will open that document. As you can see here, this is our document. I already opened the Word and start typing the text. So this is the plain text, nothing there. So after you type the text in your document, you will start now following the tasks. So here, for example, let me just make this, now here, the first task, it asks me, after you type the text, it says to you here, save the document as, and it gives you the name here, in your folder. So you have to do that one. So you have to know how to save. So in that case, I want to save this document. As you see, currently it's not saved because it has this generic name, document 1. So I have to save that one. And here in this task, it gives me the name of the document, and it says here in your folder. In your folder here means it's in your document folder. So how do we save the Word file? Very simple. We go to the file. Then, because this is the first time, we will choose save as. Then from here, I will go to the browse. And browse, I will choose my folder. In this case, for example, I can save it on the desktop, I can save it in the download, I can save it in the document folders, in pictures, anywhere. This is the navigation. You can choose the location where you want to save the file. So in this case, I will choose documents. So I locate the location. Then I can come here and I want now to type the name as it's given here. You see, it's Word. I have to type it exactly as it is. So I will write here and I will type, sorry, Word dash exercise. Okay, dash 01 dash, sorry, here it asks you your ID number. So here you should type your ID number, for example 341900250. This is the for example the student ID. So now everything is okay. I specify the location, I specify the name of the document. Now simply I can click save. You see now the name is changed for the document and it is saved in the in the documents folder. So this is the first step. Now we will go to the next, number 3. Align the title to the center and format its font size to 20 and the font face to impact. Okay, now gentlemen, the first line normally we call it the title. So this is the title, and underneath each set of text together we refer to it as a paragraph. So this is the first paragraph, this is the second paragraph, this is the third paragraph, and this is the fourth paragraph, and this is the fifth paragraph, or we can refer to it as the last paragraph. So this terminology is very important to understand for you so that you can follow the task. So sometimes the task asks you to go to the title or to the first paragraph or to the second paragraph or to the last paragraph. So please bear in mind that the first line we refer to it as the title, and this one, for example, this is the first paragraph and this is the second paragraph, and so on. So here the task number 3 asks me to align the title to the center. So this means it is this one. So I will select this title. Then in the paragraph group of the commands I have these icons. These are the alignments. I have the left alignment, I have the center, I have the right, and I have justify. So based on the task number 3, it says to me align to the title to the center. So in this case I will choose this one. You see, it make it to the center of the document. Then and formatted its font size to 20. So this means I will select this title again, and from here I can change the font size. So I click that arrow. Of course, make sure that you first select and highlight what you want to apply, the format to which text you want to apply. So here it says me 20, so I will choose 20. So you see now I change the font size. Also it says to me here font face to impact. Font face mean the font type. So again I will select the title, and the font face I can change it from this menu. I click the drop down, then I have a list of all the font faces available in my computer. So I can, and they are sorted alphabetically, so I can go to the I, because the font face is impact. So I go to the I, yeah, it's this one. So you see I can choose this font type or font face, and I click that one. So if when I click outside this one, you see now the title, I apply 3 different things. First, I make it the alignment center, I change the font size to 20, and I change the font face to impact. So this is the way we apply the formatting. Okay, so now task number 4, move the third paragraph after the last paragraph. So it says to me here move the third paragraph. So where is the third paragraph? This is the first paragraph, this is the second, and this is the third. So I will start selecting that paragraph from here. Normally we start selecting from the beginning, from here. So I click my mouse, I hold it down till I select it all. Now it says to me move, so I have to move from here after the last paragraph. So this means it's underneath this paragraph. So in that case, after I select the paragraph, I can come to the clipboard group here and I can choose cut, not copy, because based on the instruction here and task it says move. So if it says copy, I can make a copy, but since it says move, this means it will totally move it from here and put it on after the last paragraph. So in this case I will click cut, so it will disappear from here. Now I can bring my cursor here at the last of the last, at the end of the last paragraph. Then I press enter to make sure that the cursor is placed where I want to paste my text. After that I can come here, paste. I can click this arrow. I have many options here. Normally we choose the first option here. You see now it moved that paragraph and now it became the last paragraph. So this is how we move the paragraph from one place to another. Now number 5, it says to me make a new paragraph at the basic idea behind MP3. So I will go to that line, the basic idea behind MP3. So what is that one? The basic idea, yeah, it's here. You see the basic idea behind MP3. So it asked me to make a paragraph. Now it is a single paragraph, so it want to split this paragraph into 2 paragraphs. So I can come here, make cursor here, and I can press enter now. And as you can see, there is an empty space here, so I can delete it. So now I form a new paragraph from the original paragraph simply by putting the cursor and press enter. So this is, we finished task number 5. Now task number 6, it's the opposite. Join the 4th paragraph to the 3rd paragraph. So where is the 4th paragraph? This is the first one. This becomes the 1st paragraph. This is the 2nd. This is the 3rd. And this is the 4th. So it asked me to join these 2 paragraphs. I joined the 4th paragraph to the 1st paragraph, to the 3rd paragraph. So in that case, I can click at the beginning of the 4th paragraph. Then I can press in the keyboard the backspace. So there is a button called backspace. Simply if I click that one, you see it join it to the previous paragraph, but I have to make here a space. So I click here and I press in my keyboard the space button. Now they became a single paragraph. So this is number 6. Now task number 7, insert the, and this is a symbol, this is a flag symbol at the beginning of the they have evolved statement. So I have to see what is that statement, and I put my cursor there. So I want to insert this symbol at the beginning of this statement. They have evolved. So let me see in my paragraph, they have evolved. Where is I believe it's this one. You see, this is the sentence. So he want me to insert a symbol, the flag symbol. So I will click here to make sure the cursor is where I want to insert the symbol. And now I simply go to I am now in the home tab, but if I want to insert something, I have to go to the insert. And if I go to the last one here, you see I have a symbol here. If I click the arrow, I will have here a list of symbols that I have used previously. But because my symbol that is required here, the flag is not here, in this case you can click the more symbol. And in the more symbol, we have many different symbols, but the symbol that I want is not here. Normally our symbols that we ask to do, first you have to go to the font, click that one, and you go scroll down. There is a specific font size. I will show you this one. Yeah, this one. No, not this one. Wingdings, this one. Okay, make sure that you choose the font Wingdings, and from here most of our symbols, they are here. So where is the flag? Let me see here. Let me see. I don't know if you where is the flag? Is it here? Yeah, it's there. Sorry. So you see now, I choose the flag, then simply I click insert. Then you close it. You see now it insert the symbol here. If you want, I can zoom. You can click this one so that you can see more. You see, this is the symbol now inserted. So this is how we insert the symbol character. Now number 8, convert all the third paragraph to uppercase. So this means I have to choose the third paragraph. As you know, this is the first paragraph, this is the second, and this is the third. So I have to choose this one. Now what does it ask me here? Ask me to convert all this paragraph to uppercase. As you can see now, the paragraph is in a small case. So this means that I have to convert all the text to uppercase. You don't need to start typing. We have a very nice option here in Word. If I go back to the home, and from here I have a command here. You see it says change case, the screen tip. So if you click the arrow next to it, you have many options. We have sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, toggle case. Based on the task number 8, it asks me to convert it to uppercase, so I will choose the uppercase from here. You see, all of a sudden my paragraph is converted to uppercase. Now it is very advisable, to every step you just click the save button here to make sure that it is saved. You don't need to go to the save as every time, because we make that at the beginning. We already give it a name and the location. So now simply you just click this icon, which is the save, to make sure it is saved. Okay, so now number 9, type your first name, last name, your ID number and section number at the end of the document. So this means I have to go to the end of the document, and I click the mouse here, and simply now you can write like the following: student name, and you write your name, for example, then student ID. You just write your ID 341900250, for example, and the section number of your course, section number, for example, 3. Now when you have your name, the word, because it doesn't recognize your name as an English word, it may show some red marks line underneath it, so that's okay. And if you want to get rid of this, you simply right click and you say here ignore, and the same thing I will do for that one, because this is my name and it doesn't recognize it as a valid English word. So now I finish, I think, task number 9. So let me go to the task number 10. You see, I do what it asked me to do. So you see now my document has changed a little bit. So let us continue. And number 10, make a copy of the title and put it at the end of the document. You see now it's copy, not move. So this is the title, so I will select it, and then in this case I will not choose cut, I will choose copy. Then I bring the cursor down, I put it here and press enter to make sure it's online. Then I can come here and I click that one. You see now it make a copy of the title. So I have a title at the top and a title at the bottom. Excellent. Now we will go align number 11. Now align the second paragraph to the right. So again here, the align the second paragraph. So second paragraph, what is the second paragraph? Is this the second paragraph? No, this is the second, the first. So this is the second paragraph. So I will select it. Then again, the alignment buttons are here. This is the left, this is center, and this is the right. So if I click that one, it aligns that paragraph to the right, not to the left, not to the center, to the right. So let me save to make sure it is okay, and I will continue. Now number 12, format the fourth paragraph as a bold, italic, and underline. So format the fourth paragraph. So what is the fourth paragraph? This is the first, this is second, this is the third, this is the fourth paragraph. So I will start selecting that paragraph. As we said, normally you start selecting from here. You click your mouse, you just keep it hold, press till you reach the end, then you release the mouse. This is how we select the paragraph. Now I select it. Now it asked me to do it bold. So bold mean this is the bold button to make it more black, you know, and this is the italic, and this is the underline. So I simply click the bold. You see it become bold, more black, more dark, and italic. So I click on this one. You see it's become italic, and again underline. So if I click outside my mouse, click here for example, you see it apply these formatting: bold, italic, and underline. Excellent. Let me just save. Okay, now add any color or texture fill effect to your document using the page color command. That's excellent. Now it seems I almost finished. Now it ask me to add a page color to the color here. Now how do I add a page color? Normally we do it from the design. You go to the design tab, then from here you have an option in the page background, page color. So you can simply click that one. Now you can choose any color, okay, you want. If it asks you for a specific color, you just hold, you know, the mouse a little bit. It shows you the name of that color, as you can see in the screen tip. But here it asks me using any color or texture effect. So what is texture effect? It's here. Fill effects if you want more options, not color. If you want more, you know, different type of background, you can choose fill effects. And from fill effects I have many different options: gradient, texture, pattern, picture. For example, I will choose texture. Then here you have different textures. Okay, I will choose for example this one, which is called water droplets, and then I say okay. You see now this is the background of the document, then we call it, this is the page, and we can access it from the design. If you want normal color, simply you just go here and you can choose the color you want. For example, you see now the color become green. But let me choose that texture again. I will go fill effects, texture, and I will use this water drop. Okay, then again I will save. Okay, now I think we reach the last. Apply, add color. Okay, now number 14, check for spelling or grammar error and then save the document. Excellent. So almost I finished. So normally I will, if you want to check for spelling or grammar error, normally you click the cursor at the beginning of the document, okay, and then you can click the review tab, and we have here an option called spelling and grammar. So you click that one. Now if you don't have any problem, as I have the case, it says spelling and grammar check is complete, and didn't show me any error. So this means that your document is spelling and grammar error free. But if it finds, it will give you an options and it will show you where are the spelling mistakes. So this is a very good feature in Microsoft Word. So simply now I will say thank you, and as you can see here, and then save the document. Now I will save that document. So this is how we finish the exercise. We finished just the exercise 1 and we learn many things. I hope this is very useful for you, and I hope you can watch the video again, and I will provide you a homework which is similar to this exercise in the description box of the video on the YouTube channel. I hope you do it. Now when you finish, you can close. Again, you can come here, file, and you can close, and I can close the exercise. And if I go to my document, as you can see, this is my file. You see, if I double click that one, it will show you the file. If I can maximize it, you see this is how the finishing file looks like. Now it depends on your trainer or instructor. If he asks you to upload this to a system, you just send it to your instructor so he can check it up for you. I hope this is very useful for you, and we learn many skills in using Microsoft Word, and in the future exercises we will learn more and more features of this powerful application. Till the next exercise, please stay safe. Thank you.